Hi guys, this is Mini Divan and you're watching HealthSite. In today's video, I'm going to talk about menstrual cups. If you're someone who has been constantly wondering whether to use a menstrual cup or not, then this video is for you. Today we are going to clear all the misconceptions regarding menstrual cups, its benefits, and how is it different from sanitary pads and so much more. So let's begin.
So to begin with, let's discuss what are menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are basically reusable funnel-shaped feminine hygiene product made of rubber and silicone that women use during menstruation to collect the period fluid. Now menstrual cups usually come in two sizes, small and large. The smaller size is usually meant for teens and women below the age of 30, whereas the larger size is often recommended for women above the age of 30 or who have given birth vaginally or have a heavier period flow comparatively. Now that we have understood what a menstrual cup really is, let's talk about how is using a menstrual cup different than any other methods. A menstrual cup is reusable on the contrary of sanitary pads that are one-time use. Menstrual cup can hold more blood than any other methods, be it sanitary pads or tampons. And depending on the blood flow, one can wear the cup for up to 12 hours, which means you can easily use a cup for overnight protection as well. Having said that, it's recommended to always remove your menstrual cup by the 12-hour mark. If it becomes full before that, then you'll have to empty it ahead of schedule to avoid any leaks. Also, menstrual cups are budget friendly as compared to sanitary pads. All you have to do is pay a one-time price for menstrual cups since it's reusable, and just imagine how much money would you save as compared to everyday usage of sanitary pads during your period flow. Now menstrual cups are eco-friendly as well. Using menstrual cups are safe, and since it's reusable, menstrual cups can last a long time, which means you're not contributing more waste to the environment, which happens in case of a sanitary pad usually. Menstrual cups hold the blood and doesn't absorb it, so it doesn't contain any chemicals like bleach or dioxin, which is commonly found in sanitary pads. However, if we talk about the technique and usage, using a menstrual cup can be messy and slightly tougher than other alternatives. It can also cause irritation in your vaginal area at times. On the other hand, sanitary pads are pretty convenient to use. So if you're interested in using a menstrual cup or are still confused as to what method will be best suited for you, consult your gynac today. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it really depends on your personal comfort when it comes to choosing the best alternative for you.
Well, that's all for now. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and share this video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.